Hello, my name is Michelle Moore, and welcome to the Situation Analysis for KIDZ Kingdom. This presentation is produced for the Entrepreneurship Graduate Program at Western Carolina University in the area of entrepreneurial creation. First, let me tell you a little about the program. KIDZ Kingdom is a new and upcoming summer program located in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, which is in northeastern North Carolina. It focuses on core curriculum learning and offers kids a place to develop their passion. The curriculum is based on science, math, arts, reading, technology, sports, and recreation. SMARTS for short. KIDZ Kingdom is the place where kids reign with respect, encouragement, intellect, growth, and knowledge. The inspiration for KIDZ Kingdom comes from the movie Robots, where Big Well was the chief inventor. His slogan was, "See a need, feel a need." He was able to create hundreds of inventions on this one philosophy. The 2005 computer animated science fiction comedy anchored in my heart, not just because my daughter had me watch it with her for what seems like once a week for 4 years, but it spoke to the incubating entrepreneur inside of me. I believe we all are created with purpose and to solve problems. Each of us, in our own unique way, has abilities which contribute to the functioning and the flow of our space. And our space could be our community, our state, or even our country. Now, we still watch this movie about once every 3 months. And I look at it as an entrepreneur refresher course for following your dreams. The target age group for KIDZ Kingdom will focus on kids in grades 3 through 5. This educational group is a crucial place of development that will set the tone for learning. In North Carolina, children are introduced to end-of-the-grade testing, which are designed to measure student performance on the goal objectives and grade-level competencies. Test stress is introduced to our babies at this level. KIDZ Kingdom is developed to help with this transition. Let's take a look at some of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for KIDZ Kingdom. A comprehensive summer school program does not exist in our area. This program will engage the community in a multi-level strategy for learning and development. It also offers learning through SMARTS with a passion position growth track that will help develop a child's natural born talent. Our employees are another strength. Research shows that no matter what type of program children attend, they need to be around caring adults who can address their social and emotional needs. In fact, a positive relationship with adults is one of the most important variables affecting how much children learn. The employees for KIDZ Kingdom will consist of retirees, students from community colleges and universities in their education program, and paraprofessionals. Baby boomers have started retiring, and though retirees may not contribute as much to the country in this phase of life, they still hold a wealth of information, experience, and wisdom for the generations to come. Students will be utilized as interns from teacher education programs. Support staff will come from the pool of paraprofessionals or professionals entering or re-entering the workplace. College and university students will have a place to develop and grow into their fields of study while having mentorship from seasoned professionals. Local teachers will be encouraged to apply for this summer program. WNET Education says hiring classroom teachers is a good way to link after school and school day programs and to give the program some additional publicity. Now, I want people to come to work because they want to and not because they have to. They will have opportunities to contribute and to be valued. And overall, we will help young people develop socially, intellectually, and emotionally through this program. With strengths also come weaknesses. And being a new business is a weakness within itself because it screams startup. Another weakness is a lack of sufficient funding for operations. Also, there's no record of success. Therefore, we have to question, will parents be supportive? And one of the most crucial weaknesses is securing a location with adequate space to deliver services, especially the athletic ones. The prime location is the cotton mill, which has been vacant for 10 years. It has plenty of space for renovations that would house this program to include a gym, pool, and land for an outdoor field. But with the age of the building comes environmental issues. You think about lead paint, asbestos, mold, hazardous waste disposal. Though a great location, it may be too costly to make this a safe place for kids to where parents feel it is comfortable to allow their children to even go there. But if we can get it listed on the National Historic Landmark Registry, then there will be grant funding available for the preservation. I'm excited about the opportunities that KIDZ Kingdom could bring to Pasquotank County. First, we would be able to engage more students that are not currently attending summer programs. There would be research opportunities to gather new data to see if this summer enrichment program affects beginning of the grade test scores and overall achievement in school. If it's successful, there could be expansion to other counties in rural North Carolina. And northeastern North Carolina is comprised of 21 of the poorest counties in our state. There would be small business and corporate partnership opportunities, as well as federal and private foundation funding opportunities. We do have threats: a lack of solid financial support, a lack of sustainable financial backing. There could be shifts in the economy, a lack of participation due to alternative care. There are other programs, but there aren't other comprehensive programs. And then it could just be an unrealistic timeline. There's a great deal of work to be done to make KIDZ Kingdom operational, and what we may plan to take 1 year could be even 2 to 3 years out in order to get this program fully functional. We do have a competitive advantage through our people and programming. With a multi-generational staff, we will create a great mentoring program for the target school age kids and secondary school young adults. The KIDZ Kingdom bundle will be of value when we can offer all the bells and whistles of this a la carte learning at an affordable yet lower price than the competitors. We're not trying to be the #1 summer enrichment program in our area. Instead, it is our goal to strategically offer services that are tailored to fit the child's needs and interests. Other programs are short-term and more expensive, or long-term with less expense at the cost of better programming. We want to create more value for the summer, with the results equating to better test scores, more creative works, and an overall program evaluation that says best summer ever. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to your comments.